Welcome back to AA Notes channel, your go-to source for tech tutorials and troubleshooting tips. Today, we have a common but critical issue that many Windows 10 users face: a failed RAID 1 mirror redundancy. Don't worry, I've got your back. In this video, I'll guide you through the steps to fix this problem and ensure your data is safe. But before we dive into the solution, let's quickly recap what RAID 1 is. RAID 1, also known as mirroring, duplicates your data across two drives for redundancy. If one drive fails, your data remains safe on the other. However, when redundancy fails, it's time to take action. First, let's check the status of your RAID array. Access to disk management. Here, you should see your RAID array. If it shows as failed redundancy, you're in the right place. Now, let's move on to the steps to fix it. For a quick process, you can try resetting the configuration. Please back up first before carrying out the operation to anticipate power failure during the process. Rebuild the RAID array. Once the rebuild is complete, your RAID volume should now show healthy. Congratulations! And there you have it, folks. You've successfully fixed the RAID 1 mirror failed redundancy issue in Windows 10. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to AA Notes channel for more tech tutorials and troubleshooting tips. If you have any questions or need further assistance, leave a comment below, and I'll do my best to help you out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay tech savvy.